Hello friends, myself Revati Deshmukh and today I am talking on topic water conservation and recycling. The water conservation. Today we will see the various measures that we can take to address the water waste problem. So friends, just imagine if it has been told to us that there will be a no water supply in our homes for 2 days, then how we will be using a water available with us? Firstly, we will try to store it, and then we will wisely and judiciously use the water so that it is not wasted and we can sustain the still supply resume. We will try to do all the household work that require water by using it minimally, right? So even a normal case when water is readily available and we use this water to its minimal, the problem of scarcity doesn't arises. So let us find some of the ways by which we can address the above causes of water scarcity and try to reduce it. Although the population is rising, we can create awareness among the people about the problem of scarcity and the various measures they can take. We will definitely reduce the problem. If every individual take it as a responsibility and use the water judiciously without wasting it, we can reduce the problem at great extent. We can reduce the water waste at our home by taking some of these precautions and measures. These are the some domestic methods. Further, the water use at industrial level can be minimized by using non-potable water, and various processes that require more water can be changed or substituted with the one require less water. Water should be recycled and reused. Water used the specially for cooling purposes should be recirculated. For agriculture, water can be efficiently used by techniques like sprinkle and drip irrigation instead of traditional methods for watering our fields. By this, we will directly reduce the overfall water drafting and groundwater resources. Night irrigation practices may be introduced to reduce the water loss due to the evaporation. Moreover, timely and need-based irrigation should be done to further reduce the water loss. The best example of the country using this irrigation facility is Israel, despite the fact that the climate of Israel is not naturally conversant to the agriculture. It is highly advanced in the field of agriculture and technology. So these are some agricultural methods. High rate of deforestation is directly associated with the situations like reduction in rainfall, drought, and indirectly lowering the groundwater table. So if we reduce the rate of deforestation, humidity can be maintained, which help in the increasing rainfall. Thus we can conserve water with planting the more trees. Further, the problem of pollution can be reduced by treating the effluences before discarding them into any natural water bodies. So all these steps help us to reduce the overall water used, and this is exactly what is called the conservation and recyclation of water. Conservation as the act of preserving, gardening, protecting and using this wisely. And water conservation and recycling is the use and management of water for the good of all consumers. Apart from them, there are also some methods for the conservation and recyclation of water. First is rainwater harvesting. There are two ways of harvesting rainwater, that is surface run off harvesting and rooftop harvesting. Next one is construction of dams. During the rainy season, the water level rises to a great extent, whereas in dry season water level goes down. To regulate the water flow in the rivers and distribute water more evenly throughout the year, large or small dams can be built. The construction of johats as the traditional method used in Rajasthan of India. Johat is a crescent shaped earthen check dam. This was two traditional technology that Mr. Rajendra Singh, also known as the Waterman of India and the companion of his NGO Taran Bharat Sangh, helped to transform the lives to thousands of villagers in India, one of the most dry regions. Well, friends, each of us should be put efforts in conserving water because even our future generation has equal rights to use these natural resources. So guys, water everywhere. Try to save it if you care.